when it comes to staying ahead in the construction business. Enhancing on-site productivity, accuracy, and safety can be a game changer. Till now, depth, accuracy, and uniformity in excavation have been executed through manual estimation and operator skill. This can result in lack of uniformity and increased fuel consumption too, which in turn affects the business productivity and profitability. But at JCB, we put in relentless efforts to ensure that we create intelligent solutions that harness the power of technology and help businesses drive profitability. Presenting Intelli Dig and Intelli Grade smart monitoring system that assists in all kinds of excavation operations to deliver optimum speed, safety, and ease of use. The system is connected with sensors that provide real-time information for all profiles, visual and audible warnings, and many more, eliminating manual depth checking and delivers increased efficiency. JCB Intelli Dig assists in multiple profiles such as depth profile to achieve desired depth at your fingertips, accurate rectangular profile by selecting reach and depth values, height warning limit to execute the digging operation with safety. These work profiles enable smoother, faster, safer, and more intelligent operations on site. Grading is a highly skilled and widely used operation by excavators. JCB Intelli Grade to assist the operator in achieving both downhill and uphill grade profiles efficiently. With easy user interface, advanced technological features, and 24/7 Livelink connectivity, the JCB is all set to unearth superior digging performance. With JCB Intelli Dig and Intelli Grade, experience next level of intelligent excavation.